The state and the regional emergency managers will be the first line of defense. We'll be setting up those relief centers and relief agencies. 211 is the number that people should call if they need help. And so that timeline will happen immediately. Does that mean in the next half hour, the next five hours? I don't want to get stuck in that timing. But that will be the first line of defense. And then, as we mentioned, the assessment effort is part of the process that we have to do to turn into assistance to the feds.
The governor and I just got done surveying some of the hardest hit areas here. The devastation is truly tremendous. We've gathered folks here today, but as I said, we are just a city that's really grieving.
Watching CNBC TV 18. For all top headlines and updates, follow us on our social media platforms.